To start a workout on your Huawei Band 11 Pro, all you need to do is simply open up the main menu and then select the workout icon. From here, you can then choose between the different workouts that are available, whether it's an outdoor run, an indoor run, outdoor walk, all sorts of things. So go ahead and choose a workout. If you don't see a workout listed here, you can tap on Add and then choose another workout from the list available, such as aerobics or even Pilates or even yoga. Then tap on OK, and they should be added to the list. From there, all you need to do is now simply go ahead and select your preferred workout, like so. And then wear your watch, and once you do that, tap on Go, and your workout stats will start being registered. So when you tap on Go, you can see how long you've been working out for. You can be able to see your training stress, your aerobic and anaerobic respiration, and all sorts of things. When you're ready to stop the workout, just press on the side button once and confirm that you wish to stop. And like that, you'll have stopped and saved your workout records. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.